I wouldn't normally make a video on this type of shit, right? But I just saw this terroristic post on x.com itself, right? Now this motherfucker said, how do you even edit on this level, bro? So I was like, oh, let's see. So you got the 30, you got 30-second little edit right there. Looks impressive on the surface, right? Motherfucker, it was just masking his shakes. You see, this kind of fucked me up, right? Because motherfuckers are like, that shit impressive or whatever, right? The best edits, AMV. This is fucking. It's not hard. It fucks me up because, like, if I wasn't so goddamn lazy, I could probably make an edit like this if I fucking spend enough time. Because all this fundamentally is just shakes. Hold up. Is there a way I can, here you go. Playback speed 0.25 so I can, like fucking digest this down for y'all. You see, this is just fucking layer masking. This is just using layer mask tool. Fucking, after that, bam, it's a shake in a new clip. And wow, it's another fucking layer mask. And oh my god, it's just putting the clip over with fucking the cropped clip. Oh my god, another shake. Do you see how jagged some of the edges are? This is not even good. Like, I know I'm frying whoever made this edit, but like I'm fucking frying because these motherfuckers are grasping it too much. You see how like the edge here is like kind of like fucked up? It's like the objects reflect is not that amazing, right? It's like, wow, keyframes. You see, you just go frame by frame. You see, just go frame by frame. You just pull a new clip every time. And I'm like, wow, someone sees something. You see, they're just putting random clips in the background. They have the main clip in out front, and in the background they have a bunch of other clips to make it look good. This is just an illusion. You just download a bunch of different clips. Each frame, you just put a different clip on, so it makes it look like you did a bunch of work. Like, you see, these are like really random clips, and there's another layer mask, right? You see how like in that frame over there, you see the line? You can physically see the line right there. You can physically see some of the lines right here from like the very poor cropping. They're lack of shit. You see, look at how fuzzy these edges are. Look at how fucking broken these edges are. This is not like I don't think this is supposed to be like. Is this supposed to be like a purposefully ripped paper texture? Because either way, I know you can like do that with CapCut. CapCut Warriors. Okay, yes, I think it's supposed to be a thing, right? But as you can see, this shit is. Like, wow, they put breathing in the Kendrick song. Yeah, Kendrick and GGK was already a bad combination from the start. But it's not even hard. And I am a motherfucking hater. I am a hater because editing sucks dick to do. But I could fucking probably... And you could probably make this at home. I'm telling you right now, it's not that much. Right? Wow, it's 80 months and it's fucking... Like, it's like, you see some of the comments are like, wow. Wow, masking, basic masking is sync, keyframes. It's not that hard. And motherfuckers are like, oh my god, aim. Like, wow, anime and music videos. I promise you this shit is not that difficult. And to even prove my point, you want to make a little fire TikTok edit for all the kids at home? Here's how you do it. First, you open up the new project button. Yeah, you need to actually name that shit, by the way. Don't forget to name it. So we're going to do it fire TikTok edit Torino. And you see you got your opening right here. Alright, let's drag some random footage. Like, here we go. Let's just drag this random Football Fusion footage that I have here. Or, what do I want to edit with? Yeah, let's do a little fast cards edit, right? Now you can see there, you got the fast cards right there. You got first, I'll link these bitches. Delete the audio because you can't really have the audio there. Because, like I said, we're making AMB. Alright, here we go. Here we go. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going to be the best ever. You go to Video Effects. Right, we're doing this on Premiere Pro. We're not going to be a CapCut warrior, right? We're going to be on Premiere Pro. Okay, so now we have our little chunk right here. Like, say this little segment. Well, this is too big actually. Just call like a small little chunk. Just a couple seconds. And then, wow, we can use different effects. Like, damn, we pop the transform effect on here. So what you do here is, and you stay with me here because it's really complicated. You press on the position right here in this clock. That's what we call a keyframe in the industry. And then we take a couple frames later, right? And then we drag the position from here and like over here, right? A couple frames later, we drag it like here and up here. A couple frames later, bang. Keep in mind, this is Premiere Pro without like importing effects. This could be much easier if I just went on fucking CapCut and clicked template edit, but look at this. Wow, a shake. You see, that's a pretty rough shake because I didn't do it well. But wow, oh my god, it's a shake. It's a little shake. You see that? I'm so smart. And from here we can. It works less because this is a long ass little clip, right? But for like the 2-second clips, all you need to do is like do this twice, like bang, bang, or do it even easier, right? There's so much you can do here. Because you can now be like this, rotate this a bitch, and then we go like here. Then we rotate it backwards, all the way to like that. Then we move the position back, and then we move the scale back, right? And oh my god, we have the edit. It took me 80 years to make. Holy shit, it shakes! I'm literally a pro editor. I can be like the next motherfucking editor. Like, it's as easy as dragging over the effects column. You can even mirror that shit. Look at that. Look at that, it's mirrored. And we can even make it all wacky like that. You can change the mirror angle as well, so we can make it reversed. Wow, I'm literally such a pro editor. You know how you ever wonder how you like the little spear thing? Like you can take this radius, boom. Now you can make it look like your video has a little tumor on it as well. This is how it's like a little fisheye. You see, I'm literally so pro at editing, guys. Trust me, I'm literally so smart. Oh yeah, by the way, you wanna know how it's like fancy little YouTube editors do this? Wow, you have a little time code in the corner right there that shows you the time. You can move it around a bit. You can use different. Look, you can do a little time code from the clip itself, so you can be like, wow, these video editing guys are such a smart little bunch, aren't they? So, if you want to be like a little fucking pro documentarian, you can just put this in a corner like something like that. And wow, you have such an interesting little video. If you can't tell already, I'm a little bitter. I'm very bitter, as a matter of fact, right? But I'm telling you, it's seriously not that hard to make. And you think that's bad? Transitions are even easier. You literally, half of this shit is not, you don't build this brick by brick. You just click in, and you're like, wow, watch this. Peel sort of like a book. After this clip. Oh my god, I did it! It's a transition as well. You know, you guys might have been confused earlier when I said, oh, it's just simple keyframing, just simple keyframing. You know what? I mean, not keyframing. I mean, oh my god, it's just like a clipping mask. And what does that mean, you might say, right? Well, let me show you some few examples of some selected examples of clipping masks, right? And simply, you want to make some of those nice little thumbnails that look so cool, right? With the ripped paper. Oh, I wonder how I do that. They must spend so much time making them. If I just came there, a bunch of frauds. Search up ripped paper texture on google.com, right? And look for any halfway decent PNG. Honestly, the hardest part about this is finding like a PNG that actually has a fucking non-copyright a non-PNG background. That actually is a PNG. That's probably the hardest part about this entire shit. All you do is you just press copy image, paste it in, and you see this is the problem, right? It has like the background, right? Oh, there you go. We finally, yeah, we basically found that, right? Whatever. We have the copyright background. You can take that out eventually. Anyways, you take this bitch, you shrink it up, and then next layer. That's usually just like a random footage. Let's take a random image. I don't know, somebody like something like say this, right? Oh my god, how do you want to make a thumbnail, right? Now all you gotta do is, holy shit, it's almost like create clipping mask as a command. Now oh my god, it's in the picture. Now you can be like, ooh. Oh my god, the rip paper picture that took so many hours to make. Editors are frauds. Editors are complete frauds. Don't be over here fucking gassing up this shit. Like, wow, it's really so complex to do these clipping masks. You just need to press one button. You need to press one button and do like a little thingy. That's so hard to do. This is such an impressive edit that I made. You know, these top editors now. Oh, you want to know how to make another way? I know this at this point that this is just fucking ridiculous, right? But let's just, you know, let's just do it this other way, right? Oh, let's delete the clipping mask. Yeah, you just press release clipping mask, by the way. You want to make this sort of slop thumbnails, you know those sloppy fucking video essay YouTubers that make a video every like week or whatever, that have those annoying thumbnails where you have, you know, like the fucking, you know, like the ones that are like those drawn ones. I'm gonna put it up on the screen, but you see these little things. It's called the black and white cookie, pasteurize. Now your thing is fried. Now give them an appropriate amount of levels. Like, okay, now you see this? Holy shit! Your mind's about to be blown. Your mind's about to be blown. Go back to your original image. Bang. By the way, no. By the way, create a new layer for this. Wow, that's one color. Bang. That's two colors. Bang. 3. Bang. 4. Bang. 5. You see how these are the exact same color? Wow, it's so hard. It's so hard to make these thumbnails, guys. It's so damn hard. This is so much effort to be such a pro YouTuber, guys. It's almost like you trace this shit. Use the paint bucket tool, fill it in. Like, wow, this is such hard work, guys. You see how every single content creator that you know is mostly a fraud? A motherfucker's disgruntled. I'm sick of these motherfuckers getting gassed up or doing nothing. Like, wow, paint bucket tool is such a useful tool. Holy shit. And you just keep repeating that pattern. I'm not gonna do the entire thing, but you know, you get the fucking idea at this point. Just trace over the little patterns that you see right here. Motherfucker, you can teach this as an art assignment, like in like school or whatever. You can be like, to any art teachers out there, you can be like, yo, we're gonna do this. And wow, you make the thumbnails that look like they're drawn, like they're hand drawn. Oh my god, such a wonderful artist. When in reality, you just went to Photoshop, quick posterized, and then traced over like a dick. That's so much effort, guys. It's almost as much effort as the video that I use CapCut templates for. Fucking bitch-ass motherfuckers. Please, if you're gonna subscribe to the channel, subscribe to me. Yeah, I just wanted to fucking go play. I'm not gonna lie. I seen this bullshit and I just could not help myself. So yeah, bye guys.
Don't do it, Jack. Jack, it's not working. We're not showing Jack. Come on, man. Hey, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on, stop. It's not